Look what we have here, 55 Ford Sunliner convertible. If this isn't an attention getter, I don't know what is. The black and yellow Continental kit, skirts, dual spotlights. It's a beauty. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all about it. That's where you'll find a price tag on this one and 200 other classic cars, all for sale, and each one has a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. This car comes from a really good seller. He's got a conscience. He doesn't send me anything unless it's all dialed in. I just reached in. Spotlights never work. And I thought, knowing him, it's going to work. And it does. Anyway, the body is in excellent shape. It is straight. This guy is a retired body man. He did not do this car, but he knows what he's looking for. And this thing is clean, straight. Door is square, flush. Shuts nice like an old car. Yeah, really straight. I don't see any bubbles, damage. Has fender skirts. They fit nicely. All of this is all real nice. Has the Continental kit sticking out. The swim platform is all real nice. Metal. 99% sure it's metal. Yep. All this clean, straight, right down to the very bottom, even feeling way under there. Nice and clean. Look how the fender skirt fits real nice. Smooth, straight, clean. Looking sharp. The black and yellow really is an outstanding color. I mean, you want it to pop. You want people to turn heads, don't you? And it is polished, smooth, and glossy. As I went around it looking at the body, I didn't notice any defects in the paint. Now, I'll never say anything's perfect, but this is a really nice looking, polished, smooth paint job. Windshield was replaced. The gasket's soft. All the stainless around it looks like it was polished. The lamps are really good. The mirrors have a little bit of pitting. Hood ornament looks like new. The emblem, all that slick. Everything up here looks like an 8 out of 10 at least. It's all shiny. It's all straight. I'm probably being hard on it. I like to cover my butt. All this looks new. V8 emblem sparkling. It has the eyebrow covers. This stainless is either new or it's polished, all sparkling. Vent window frame looks like new. Door handles, oh, here's a little dent. This is all slick. Optional reverse lights, blue dots in the tail lights, bumpers, bumper guards, all real slick and shiny. Has the metal, that's an option, and then the chrome ring, that's an option. Has the rear mounted antenna, has some stone shields down there. Beautiful car. Convertible top is a black, it's a upgraded rich black canvas, black cloth. You can see pictures of that on our website. There's a hairline crack right here. Literally looks like a hair laying there. All right, let's open it up, see the inside. All right, so this tire is a lever. You pull out of the way, Continental kit. Oh, there we go. It swings out of the way, and you open the trunk like normal. Got some extra goodies in the trunk. But underneath the trunk lid is painted real nice and has a nice fresh weather strip. Inside here is all carpeted with bound edges, got nice floor. In the box are the wire wheel hubcaps. You'll see one on the Continental kit. So those go with the car, a real nice soft car cover, some miscellaneous parts will go with it. We do have a spare and a jack assembly right here. Well liner was replaced. You can see pictures of the trunk compartment on our website too. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the videos are posted. We put up a lot of great content. Door jambs are painted real nice. The weather strips look fresh. Black and yellow continues inside. Door panels are like really nice reproductions. Actually, the interior is only 2 years old. So door panels, armrests, window cranks, all that was replaced. All the metal was repainted when they painted the car. And actually all the knobs, lenses, all that stuff is not new, but it all looks good. There's the round heater controls. And then this is 55 only, very unique round radio in the middle. And then you got the clock. Down on the floor, nice carpet, embroidered mats. Got an extra temperature gauge down there. Upholstery still looks fresh. Got carpet and mats in the back, seats upholstered, the armrests are upholstered, window cranks are new, the chrome's looking sharp. Got the convertible top boot. So yeah, very nice interior. This is an automatic transmission. A little bit of aging on the horn ring. Steering wheel's in good shape. Oh, and the visors and the mirror look like they're new. And the inside chrome all around the windshield looks new as well. Oh boy, is that a 272 or 292? I don't remember. I'll check that when we're talking about the undercarriage. But it is the V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor underneath there. All correct. You know, air cleaner, valve covers, stickers, all painted nicely. The heater box and blower all looks good. Firewall looks real nice. Oh, big deal. Converted to 12 volt. It was a 6 volt originally in 55. This has all been converted to a 12 volt. There are new horns I seen tucked down there. We've got power steering. That was an option, so a little easier to maneuver. The wiring looks like that's fresh. And it has the washer fluid bag, which is always just a neat thing to see. And all painted up real nice. So nice clean engine compartment. And it's a 272 V8. All right, now let's talk about the underside. So underneath this car looking really nice. The frame and chassis components are all gloss black. The floors are clean metal floors, nice braces. Looks like they were sprayed with like a chip guard paint. I wanted to mention there's a light underneath here and it works. I was going to mention that and I forgot. The front end steering, suspension, that all looks fresh. In back, it's got coilover shocks were added to it. Got a nice sounding dual exhaust system. You know, brake lines, e-brake is hooked up. Everything looks fresh and proper and clean. You look up at the motor, it's clean. Gas tank is clean. So yeah, really beautiful underneath this car. Go to volocars.com. The salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get it delivered and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.